Nabalitaan niyo na ba? May bagong pump na naman ang Dr. Ayla. Na-expect ko lang na dadating is yung pump. Pero nagulat ako, ang dami niyang kasamang freebies. Meron na siyang kasamang anti-colic baby bottle, milk collector, pati silicone brush set, extra nipples pa ha, at saka milk storage bag. Let's unbox this pump. This is the EB60 pump in the shade pink. Actually, laging sold out yung color pink nila, kaya inabangan ko talaga magka-pink. Meron na akong 2 pumps from Dr. Ayla. Ito na yung pangatlo. I have the EB30 and EB50. Now, this is the EB60. May kasama na siyang storage bag. In the box, it also includes the product brochure and yung nipple measuring guide. Maganda to kasi magkahiwala yung cover niya. Minsan kasi isang pump lang yung dinadala ka, so hindi siya bulky sa bag. This is the pump. Hala, it's color pink! Ang ganda niya! Ang ganda ng pagka-pink niya. Puro kasi blue yung nakikita kong ganito and medyo wala pa akong nakikita na color pink on hand. Pero ang ganda niya guys, oh. Ito yung adapter niya. Here. Tapos gusto ko na siya kasi mas hiyang ako sa mga silicone yung dito. Sobrang hina lang ng motor niya. Hindi ko narinig. Parang halos wala kang marinig. It goes up to level 12. Wow. Meron siyang 3 modes. Natin buksan. Paano ito buksan? Pwede ko naman basahin yung manual. Ayun. Cool guys. Hindi siya yung traditional valve. Bago yung valve nyo, it looks like this. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 parts. Not including the flange. And hanggang 6 ounces siya. Maganda siya kasi maliit lang. And hindi siya bulky. Ang nipis na lang guys. What I didn't like about the EB50 is kasi hard yung flange niya. Hard yung dito. So hindi niya nahuhulma yung breast shape ko. Kaya medyo onti lang yung output ko doon. But I think this is really an upgrade from the EB50. Tignan natin yung inclusions niya. With the charging cable, 21mm na flange, 18mm, daming kasama, 24mm, and 15mm. Oh, meron din siyang extra diaphragm. Extra yung new valve nito. Mag-ingat kayo pag winawash nito kasi baka biglang mawala. So, that's it on our first impression sa EB60 na pump. I think I'm going to love this pump. Hope you enjoyed our little unboxing and see you on the next one. Bye!